One of the things that you never ever want to do with your box blade, I'm going to show you that here, is to have it engaged, drop down in contact with the surface, and turn. And you hear the tractor bogging down. We're digging in on the right side of the tractor. The box blade is just not effective to do it that way. Plus it puts a lot of pressure on those lift arms and on those stabilizers, which we don't want to do. Now, box blades you mainly want to use, or they're designed for either a pull, like what we're doing right now, or pushing, going backwards and reverse. What tears these up and what can cause the damage, and we'll turn around now. Remember now, on the end of our pass, you're always going to want to lift it up. We want to get that box blade out of the ground. We don't want it in contact with the soil or what we're blading. And we're going to turn around. We're going to line up straight. We're going to put our box blade back down. And here's where you're going to see a little bit of difference. I'm going to zigzag with the blade engaged. Now, there's not a whole lot of movement there, but there is movement. And what that movement's showing us is that there's an extreme amount of pressure on those stabilizer chains and on those buckles. The proper use of the box blade, would be to line up straight on your pass. And you'll notice these go by a variety of names right here. Stabilizers, they can be chains, they can be buckles like what we got here, a turnbuckle. You have to have some playing on in order to spread your lift arms out to get them over an implement. And if you're using a quick hitch and you're not taking that thing off all the time, you can tighten those down a little bit where you don't have as much side-to-side movement. So anyway, I hope you liked it. If you got anything from this, drop a comment if you would, in the comment section. It goes a long way to help the channel with the algorithm. Also, if you just hit that like button and subscribe, I'd sincerely appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel. Like I said, this channel, we're trying to give a little bit more information than just the ordinary channel that they jump on a tractor and say, hey, this is how we do it. We're going to try to show you the mechanics of what we're doing, and I would sincerely appreciate it. But anyway, thanks for following along. I hope you got something out of this. Come back and visit us again. And until then, remember, bops up, buckle up. You may save your life. Until the next time, see you later.